Hello. Hi. Hi everyone. So this is gonna be a very quick. Get ready with me. Very quick talaga kasi may call time ako mamaya. And I have to get ready really fast. Hi, Kuya Nick. Hi. Lux Paris Bags. Hi. Hi, Ate Ella. Hi, everyone. So, okay. Let's start, no? Kasi matagal to. Anong oras ka na pack up? 4 a.m. So, anyway, I got something from Lazada. It's quite in right now. It's supposed to be a headband, but it gives you the effect of putting sunglasses on your hair. So you like the way your hair sits or falls when you wear sunglasses and you want that effect but without the glasses. So this is supposed to do that. But I'm not the biggest fan of this. So, ayun lang. Binili ko lang siya kasi akala ko magmumukha siya maganda sa akin. But ewan ko, hindi lang ako super fan. Pero gagamitin ko siya ngayon because I need to get my hair out of my face. Oh my God, wait. Wait lang, may nagdo-doorbell. Wait a minute. Wait lang. Okay, I'm back. So sorry. Hold on. The curve goes the back of your ears. What curve? The back of my ears like this? Okay, I still don't like it. But anyway, okay, let's start. So, wala na akong time mag-skincare today. Wala na. Okay na yan. I am going to start with my primer. Actually, ayoko na mag-primer kasi di naman ako magtatagal. So, may guesting ako. Ay! O, diba? Galing. May guesting ako sa Pi channel. You're the boss. I'm going to use my taping makeup, which is Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. Sobra ko siyang nai-enjoy ngayon. Ang gaganda ng mga products niya. Saan yung primer? Okay, so I'm gonna use their All About That Base makeup primer. This is the Life Proof primer. Although I don't really need my makeup to be life proof today. Pero wala lang. Ito na yung gamit ko lagi kasi. So, ayan. Headband reveal? Ito. Ito lang. I just got it sa Lazada. I don't really remember what you call it. Pero makikita mo yan sa parang explore page mo. Kasi lagi ko siyang nakikita. Hi, Melo! Ayan! Yan si Melo. Siya ang nagko-color ng hair ko. So, please ask him kung anong hair color ko. Lagi nila akong tinatanong. And I have no idea what to say. Basta nakita ko lang sa Pinterest yung picture and I want it. So, I'm done with that. Next, I am gonna use this RAR Skinned Beauty Brow Glue. So, kung mapapansin nyo, no, kalbo tong kilay kong isa kasi naahit siya sa taping by accident. Hindi sinasadya, so it's all good. Pero, ayan, thankfully, tumutubo naman na siya. But, yeah, bro. No hair over there. So, sobrang umiyak ako nung naahit yung kilay ko. Hindi ko akalaing iiyak ako. Hindi ko in-expect na may attachment ako sa kilay ko. Pero kasi never ko pinapagalaw kilay ko. Like, hanggang threading lang ng kalat, but not the kilay itself. So, nung naahit siya, parang naiyak na lang talaga ako. Tapos may taping pa ako nun. So, sabi ko, paano na to sa close-up ko? Pangit-pangit! Eh, hindi pa naman ako marunong magkilay. Yung parang gumawa ng hair-like strokes. I don't know how to do that. So, pray na lang ako nung mga panahon na yun. So, nagfo-focus na ako, no? Kasi hindi ako pwede magbagal today. Eh, alam niyo namang mabagal ako. Halata, diba? Look at that. It's so ugly, but there's nothing I can do. So, ayan. This is the brow glue. So, alam niyo naman yung uso ngayon, the laminated brow look, diba? That's what I'm trying to achieve. Hindi ko pa siya na-perfect. It's quite tricky using products like these kasi natutuyo siya agad. It gets very sticky. Pero, ayun, practice makes perfect. But nobody's perfect, so why practice? Diba? Huwag niyo akong pakinggan. Anyway, ayan, okay na yan. Ayun, okay na ako dyan. Love niyo pa rin naman ako kahit di pantay kilay mo, kilay ko, diba? Ay, tingnan mo yung kabila. Ayoko nga. Tutubo naman to ulit. Mukha akong tanga pag wala akong kilay. So, next, I'm gonna use this Get Ready With Me All About That Base on the Glow Skin Booster. Ito, binili ko talaga to from the brand. Kasi, when they sent me their products, and I really liked it, sabi ko, meron akong mga kulang na hindi ko pa nakukuha or hindi nila na-send and hihingin ko pa ba? Bibiling ko na lang, diba? Support din naman natin. So, I will use this. Ito ang pamalit ko sa pinaka-paborito kong Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Foundation. Filter pala. Flawless Filter. It does the trick just the same. Gives you that beautiful glow. And if there's one thing you should know about me is that I love glow. That's it. Period. Periodism. So, hindi kasi ako nakakapag-reply kay KD right now. So, pwede bang sabihan niyo siya na nagla-live kasi ako bigla? Salamat. Inutusan ko pa kaya, no? Sorry na, nagmamadali kasi ako. So, ayan. Gentle. O, yan, diba? Like a shining disco ball. Look at that. Look at how glistening, how shining, shimmering, splendid that is. So, wait lang, napabother ako dito sa kilay kong nakatikwas. Asan na yun? Ay. I'm so disorganized right now because I am agitated. I am taranta. Ha? Nasaan na yun? Ha? Sorry ah. I will just... Ha? Ayoko na. Okay na yan. Sige na. I will leave it at that. Okay naman siya, no? Kung hindi lang siya kalbo. Good luck sa pie mamaya. Thank you. I don't need luck though. I need prayers. Sobrang kinakabahan ako. Hindi talaga ako palasalin ng mga game show kasi I don't work well under pressure. So, ayun. Hi, Nico! Nico. Sino yung nag-doorbell? Yung in-order na food ng mom ko. So, ayun. Next, foundation. I'll use the Get Ready With Me na din. I will use the Get Ready With Me. Hi, Katie! Sorry, I'm not replying. Wait lang. This is the Get Ready... Why did I do that so aggressively? That hurt, man. Okay. Why did I do that? Anyway, this is the Get Ready With Me foundation. It doesn't really have a description, but it's their foundation. And I'm in the shade. Where's my shade? Natanggal ko yung sticker. Shucks. I'm sorry. Okay. Where's my spatula? I have been loving this spatula. Gets ko na kung bakit sobra siyang sikat in Korea and kung bakit siya ginagamit ng mga people over there. Because it's really good. Like, it does something. I'm wearing pants. Sobrang nagtatanggapin ko lang talaga yung You're the Boss mamaya kasi si Ate Melay nagsabi and I love Ate Melay but I am scared. Alam niyo namang hindi ako magaling mag-sports at hindi ako magaling kumilos-kilos. So, ayun. Biglang French accent. I know, I don't know why I switched to accents all of a sudden. So, ayan. Parang it helps you apply your foundation evenly and parang layer by layer. Ewan ko kung that does something, but to my imagination, it does. Parang I really like it. So, ayan. Tapos, ibe-blend natin siya with this really cute, oddly shaped, damp beauty blender. I get my beauty blenders from Miss Bella PH. So, yung foundation niya, for me when you look at the consistency and when you apply it, when I apply it using the spatula, Parang thin lang yung consistency niya, but buildable. Kasi na-try ko na to ng 2 layers. And ayun, pakak. Bring home the bacon, patay. What if I'm vegetarian? Charot. Hala, umulan bigla. Two pumps is already too much for me. Kahit 1 pump lang, may natitira pa ako. Ang lakas ng ulan. Guys, if you're outside, I hope you have an umbrella. Grabe, ang ganda. Wala pa nga. Wait lang. Mamadali na tayo for today's video. Sana alam ko yung sagot ng mga questions mamaya. Sana walang tanong tungkol sa mga kalye or geography. Because that's not my strong suit. Pwede bang i-text nyo sa akin yung answers? Wow, nandaya. Joke lang. Pagod mag-blend. So, ayan. Let's go. Konti sa ilong. Pati sa bebeg. And let's not forget the neck. I'm so tired of blending. Okay. Call a friend? May call a friend ba? No option? Please tell me there is. Hingi ka ng idea. Pwede ba yun? Pwede ba gumamit ng phone habang naglalaro? Watching here from Japan. Oh, so lucky. So fun. Okay, now the foundation is on. Good job. And then, nakikita ko sa iba, nagsispray sila ng setting spray after foundation. So, gagayahin ko lang. Bakit pati sa bibig? Trip ko lang. Sayang yung foundation eh. You don't have to do that though. Anong brand ng foundation mo, Ben? Ganda ng lapat. It is the Get Ready With Me foundation. It's their new, yung bagong lumabas sa 126 line nila. It's really good. I really like it. Hindi lang siya iyak-proof. Kasi sa taping, pag umiiyak ako, nagmamarka siya. But I guess, that really wasn't made for crying, no? So, it's pretty good to me. What's your primer? It's also from Get Ready With Me. It's the Life Proof Primer. It's the Tacky Primer. KKK, di pantay ang kilay. I know, okay, I know. Siya ay na ahit. What's your skincare? I'll show you guys another time. I got no time for that right now. So next, we are gonna do eyeshadow. Maybe, why not? For eyeshadow, ang gamit ko lang ay yung blush on ng Get Ready With Me, tsaka yung contour nila. Itong dalawa. Yan na, yun na yun. Ba't pa natin papahirapan ang buhay natin? Pucho-puchong eyeshadow lang to. Dahil di ako marunong mag-eyeshadow. That's one thing I can't do. So, yan. Brown all over the lid. Ganun lang kadali. Kasi for me, ang nag-help sa akin talaga ay ang mascara. So, kahit hindi ko sobrang magandahan yung eyeshadow ko because my lashes are poppin', if there's such thing. My eyelashes are lashing. It's pretty good. It looks pretty good. And ayoko naman kapalan ng bonggang-bongga yung makeup ko ngayong gabi, no? Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko doon. Baka mamaya, pag tumbling nila ako, mahulas lang din ako. Ang ganda sa totoo lang. Nako guys, y'all so biased to me. Miss mo na ba si Bruno Mars? Miss na kita, mahal. Ang cute-cute niya. He's got so much riz. Like, overloaded, overflowing. I've never seen a man with... a human being, actually, with that much swag. It's like, sinalon niya lahat. Nung nagpaulan si Lord ng swag, he was first in line. Sobrang swabe. Sobrang galing kumanta, even better than recording. By the way, I am medyo nanginginig right now kasi wala pa akong tulog. And yeah, nagmamadali pa. Not a perfect combination as a tarantahin girl. So there, the lids are brown. Alex tulog na. O yan, galing ako sa Sparta, nag-gym pa ako, diba? And si coach, napatulog na ako kasi muntik na ako matulog kanina doon sa gym. So, kung maingay sa labas, pasensya na kasi nagva-vacuum. Okay, how was Bruno Mars concert? It was really good. I mean, I will never regret watching Bruno Mars, even if he sang almost the exact same set list as he did during his last concert here. No complaints from me because he knows how to put up a show. He knows how to entertain, how to give the crowd what they deserve. So, we'll always love Bruno Mars. It's always a great idea to watch Bruno Mars if you have the budget. And yeah, kailangan lagi talagang agahan sa Philippine Arena. Hindi talaga siya magiging madali. Forever challenge. But yeah, you'll get the hang of it. Parang walang nangyari, diba? Pero may nangyari yan. Tapos, I'm gonna put the reddish blush on-ish color. Para lang may konting kulay. Konting-konti lang. Ewan ko ba kasi, bakit nag-get ready with me pa ako na nagmamadali na nga ako. I guess I love a challenge. Sa video ni KD, super saya watching Bruno Mars. I know it. I was so happy seeing him enjoy. As in, sumisigaw siya. Nakakatuwa. Na talagang na-enjoy niya yung experience. Especially as a musician. Gusto ko talaga siyang manood ng concerts. Because I have no idea how he lived his life without watching concerts. But yeah, now, because of me, he's gotta watch. Wala siyang choice kundi sumama sa akin. Kasi kailangan niya, ayaw niya ako mag-isa, so sama talaga siya sa akin. Alright, and then we're gonna put some sparkle on the lids. Pero konti lang. Chillax lang. This is also from Get Ready With Me. I think almost everything I'm gonna use now is from Get Ready With Me. Yung glitter nila, it's quite subtle. Parang small specks of glitter lang. Hindi siya chunky glitter. So, if you want yung sobrang putok na makeup, ayun, putok na glitter, this might not be for you. Pero, to be fair, hindi naman talaga siya meant to be an eyelid topper. It's a highlighter. Okay, so, can't judge. Andito daw si Sugar Baby. Sugar Baby, nakatulog ka na ba? Sana nakapahinga ka na. O baka naman nagpa-plant ka na naman ng trees. Yan si Loisa. Grabe, sobrang galing mag-makeup niyan. As in, idol. Idol talaga. Yung makeup artist namin, si Elric, pwede nang mawala ng trabaho yon dahil sa galing ni Loisa. Hindi, joke lang, ma. Andito rin si Elric, nakita ko. Good luck sa pie. Good luck talaga. Pagdasal nyo naman ako. Parang kinakabahan ako. Okay, so 'di ba, yun lang ginawa ko, ganun kadali. Tapos mag-eyeliner na tayo. Kasi ba't ko papahihirapan yung buhay ko? Isihan lang natin for today. Anong eyeliner maganda? How about si Rare Beauty? Eto, hindi ako marunong mag-eyeliner ha. So, wag niyo akong i-judge please. Salamat. Dahil malabo ang mata ko. Mga 10 years to. So, pwede muna kayong magsaing, kumain, etc. Banana pudding! Ano na? Paano mananood ng Taylor Swift? Ano na? I'm losing hope. 1, 2, 3. Ay! 1, 2, 3. Ay! Ayan. Marry me. Where's the ring though? I'm not marrying without any 5-carat diamond ring. Oh my God. Yes, kailangan may sound effect pag nag-eyeliner. Okay. Okay. There's the ring. Where? Lord. I hate eyeliner so badly. But it does so much for my face. So, I have to do it. Okay. 1 down. Tips para sa pag-eyeliner, please. Don't ask me. I don't know. I'm not good with this, as you can see. Kailangan may sound effect para ramdam ko. Parang si The Grudge. Shucks. It's not pantay. Pagod na ako. Alright. I can do this. Alright. It's not pantay, but hindi nyo na makikita sa TV. We're not gonna know. Okay. Okay. Shucks! Ay, ang kalat. Okay. Again. What was that? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? What the hell? Okay. Ayoko na, please. Pwedeng okay na to. Look at that. So freaking ugly. Yes, you heard that? I don't know what that was. Uy, masyadong maaga para multuhin, ah. Ang kapal ng mukha ng mga multo kung lumalabas pati ng umaga, ha. I believe ang pangit. But I also believe hindi na halata. I give up officially. Goodbye. Next. Contour. We are gonna use the Sunny's Face Skin So Good Multi-Stick. Alright. Wonderful. But before that, I'm gonna curl my lashes. And this is my secret to great long lashes. Because I don't know how to put false eyelashes, so I need a good curl lash. And this is the best I've ever tried. My lashes used to be so thin, so straight, barely any lashes. Sa eyelash extensions ko, nawala sila lahat. But now that I am slowly growing it again, eto talaga ang nakapagpa-boom ng lashes ko. But of course, paired with a really nice mascara. So this is from the brand Surratt. I have no idea if that's how you pronounce it. It's Surratt. Surratt. Yeah. So watch. I am going to curl my lashes. This doesn't use any heat or whatever. So yan, kina-career ko lang yung pag-curl ng lashes. I get it under, like, as far as I can. It doesn't hurt at all. Okay, now watch. This is the MAC Extended Play Perm Me Up mascara. The best. The best for me. And hindi siya humahawa sa under eyes ko, which I love. Kasi yung ibang mascara, ang ganda, okay. Naku-curl nga yung lashes ko, nagmukhang makapal, pero laging kumakalat dito. Late ka na, hindi pa. 6 pa call time ko. Wait lang. 6 call time if made up na. Kaya nga ako nagme-makeup na. Alright. Look. Gorgeous lashes. Hindi kita masyado, but I swear, this video doesn't do any justice to my lashes. But it's cute. Ano spelling ng Curlash? Okay, makinig ng mabuti. S-U-R-R-A-T-T. Surratt. It's the best. Also, this mascara from MAC is the best. I love it. Nahanap ko na ang perfect combination. Lovely. Look. Yeah, Surratt. How much? Well, it's, I think, 1+ something. It's a bit pricey, but it's worth it. You're gonna use it forever and ever. Diba? Hindi naman one-time use ang Curlash. Ano meron? May guesting ako sa Pi channel mamaya. For You're the Boss with Ate Melay. And I'm trying to look cute para if matalo ako or maligwak ako agad, okay lang kasi maganda pa rin ako. Sabi nga namin nung sa Going Bulilit, manalo, matalo, cute pa rin kami. Okay, I believe tama na to, no? And watch the magic. Oh, I love this talaga. Tas hindi nasisira yung lashes ko. Hindi siya napuputol, hindi siya sumasama. The best. Tsaka madaling tanggalin yung mascara with a makeup remover. It easily comes off. Walang kahirap-hirap. Pero waterproof siya. You just need a good cleansing balm. Gorgeous. Look at that. Anong oras po yun? 7:30 po, live na. 7:30 ba o 7 p.m.? So, ayan. Sobrang haba niya, kumalat-kalat na siya sa eyelid ko. But that's fine. We'll remove that later. So, kapag nagkaroon ka ng kalat ng mascara on your eyelid or whatever part of your face, don't clean it when it's wet. Don't remove it while pagkakalat mo lang. Huwag mo siyang galawin. Hayaan mo siyang matuyo. Because it's easier to remove when it's dry. I know it's so weird, diba? Akala mo mas mahirap tanggalin pag dry. Look at those lashes, bro. Giving everything it needs to give. Okay, next. Contour. Bronzer pala. Sorry. I will start with my forehead. And you shall always blend it up to your hairline, up to the heavens. There. What is my forehead? I have a 3 head, but on pictures, it looks really big sometimes. Pero Kebs, wala na akong pakialam. Tapos ito, binababa ko hanggang leeg. Para may konting shadow naman sa double chin. Tapos sabi nila kapag yung sa cheeks daw, always up in one motion. Meron ba sa Shopee or Lazada yung mascara? I believe so, cause MAC Cosmetics is on Lazada. And I'm sure meron din sa Shopee. Lahat naman nandun. Hot girls have 3 heads. Why, thank you! Up, 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 and away. Fave song ni Bruno Mars. I really like... Oh my God, what's the title? Ano yung favorite? Shucks, I forgot. Kinanta niya eh. Ngayon pa ako na, na mental block oh. Happy Pride sa mga akla. Here's the comment section. Yes, Happy Pride, guys. Celebrate your love. Love is beautiful. Love is gorgeous. Okay. Contact lens. I'm so tamad. But I could. Maybe if I still have time. Nag-vlog ka ba? No. Are you using Lucky Beauty for your brows? No. I used Skinned Beauty for today. Hindi ko alam saan ko nilalagay. Ito. Skinned. It's a Skinned Beauty Brow Glue. Anong gamit mong contour? It's the Sunny's Skin So Good Multi-Stick in the shade. Where's the shade? Palisander. Palisander. A pala yun, sorry. Palisander. Locked Out of Heaven. Yes, I love that. I love that song. My mascara, again, is from MAC Cosmetics. Extended Play. Perm Me Up Lash. Okay. Next, should I contour my nose? Why not? Just a bit. Just a bit. That's not a bit, but okay. I don't know how to blend. Pagdating sa nose. Yikes. Too much. Is being an artist hard? Being anything is hard, I believe. It has its ups and its downs, just like anything else. Has its pros and cons. Robert, si Kuya Rob, the bestest bodyguard, the bestest bouncer. Hi baby, I can make you up really well. That makes no sense. What do you mean? That makes no sense. Anong oras pa mo? 7 p.m. I was told. Okay, blend it with a brush. Alright. Para makanood kami. 7 p.m. po. Please cheer me on. Live po ba yun? Yes, that's why nagmamadali ako. Okay, next we're gonna do blusher. So, what blush on do you want me to use? Do you want something pink? Ate Mariel, may makeup artist before. Please, ate, skip the video. Huwag kang manood. Di ako magaling. Okay, what should I use? Should I use a pink? I'll make you choose. Putok pink. My Rare Beauty. Putok pink. Kalmadong pink. Or this coral one. Wait, what do you want me to use? Rare Beauty or Patrick Ta? Let me know. Pink. Putok pink or kalmadong pink? There are two kinds. Which kind? Putok or normal? But wala kang sariling makeup artist sa mga shows mo? Meron naman po, but on days like this, na hindi na ako nakapaghanda talaga, no time to book a makeup artist, and also, it's just mabilisan, maglalaro lang ako. So, honestly, hindi nga ako dapat mag-makeup. Okay, so you said putok. So, putok pink, I'm using the Lucky Beauty in the shade Lucky? Lucky Beauty, hala, Rare Beauty pala to. Sorry. I'm using the Rare Beauty in the shade Lucky. And the secret to making this a bit calmer and less intimidating is I mix it with Lucky Beauty. Bakit ba ako Lucky Beauty ng Lucky Beauty? With Rare Beauty's Liquid Luminizer in Enlighten. So, look. Look what's gonna happen. Look. Sorry, Rare. I know. Kasi sobrang putok naman yan, no? Parang hindi kaya ng powers ko yon. So, konting-konti lang. Muna, madaling magdagdag. And then, Rare Beauty, Enlighten. Konti lang din. Kay Selena ba yan? Yes. And then, I mix them together. Mix 3 times a day. So, I know, it looks quite intimidating, but promise, cute naman siya when you blend it out. Dito ko lang siya nilalagay. Sa side na to, I don't drag it down to the apples of my cheeks. Because I see that this helps make my face look a lot more lifted. Dagdag konti. Kasi pag nag-concealer naman tayo, mababawasan din naman yan. So, ayan. Kumalma naman siya, diba? See? It's not what you think. Ayan. I would put it normally where I would also put my highlighter. So, ayan. Cute lang. Pretty lang. Kasi mamaya magpa-powder blush pa tayo. So, wait, there's more. Yay! Wonderful! Okay, may muta. Tatanggalin natin. Ayun. Ayaw sumama. Ayun. Wala na. Okay. Okay. See? That's step 1 for blush on. Dami pa natira. What's the brand of your brush? It's Real Techniques. Wala na siyang brand. It's been with me for a billion years. But it's from Real Techniques. So there. And then next, I will just put some pencil eyeliner sa waterline. Just to tie that really well with my liquid eyeliner. This is gross looking. I don't like watching people do this. But, yeah, turn away na lang if it makes you uncomfortable. Yeah. What is that freaking sound? Oh, I know what that sound is now! Wait, I know what that sound is. I'm gonna show you. Because, cute sweetheart gave me this. When I open it, Katie's gonna sing to me. Eh, yun yung pinapatungan ko ng cellphone ko right now. So, gets ko na. I think siya yung tumutunog mag-isa. There, si Katie lang yun. Kakantahan niya lang ako. Siya lang pala. Okay, waterline, water lily, Waterloo. Very subtle difference. Subtle girl. Okay, next, concealer. Concealer, I will use my favorite at the moment, which is the Dior Forever Skin Correct. So, I noticed the good concealer placement for me is like this. Down. Down. That's it. Hindi yung dinadrag up or whatever. Pansin ko mas na lalighten or naka-highlight yung area na to when I do my concealer like this. I don't know why. But okay, let's blend. I have a lot of redness sa ilong. That's why I put concealer there. And then let's blend this too. Ang concealer hindi ba dapat pinakauna? So honestly, I personally believe there's no exact perfect way for someone to do their makeup. It's whatever works for them. But yeah, I mean, kung technique or professionals, not really una, but after foundation, that's what they would do, or after they do their eye makeup. So I like doing it after my blush, because I think that when I put blush, it also acts as a corrector in a way for my under eyes. Ayun, nakalimutan ko mag under eye corrector, but that's fine, that's fine. I really like this concealer kasi it really brightens up my under eyes. Ang ayaw ko lang sa kanya, it moves. And when I say it moves, pag hindi ko siya na-set agad or na-powderan agad, pag pinowderan ko na, nagkikrease na siya ng malala. Or baka mali lang yung technique ko sa paglagay. But, yun, asar na asar ako. Pag nagtitaping ako, ang kulit-kulit niya. It moves. Ayan. Kahit wala ka na concealer. Actually, no. That's something I need the most. Kasi yung under eyes ko ay malala. Malala siya. Ang itim-itim. Lalo na wala akong tulog kagabi. Nagmamadali ka. Oo nga eh. Sabi ko nga eh. Napapachika na naman ako sa inyo. And then, I will just use this under eye brightener. Sino tong nag-comment? Sino yun? Next. Ayan. We're just going to bake that. Bake that. Body dance. Okay. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Hayaan ko lang siya dyan. Para siya sa buhay niya. Let it sit, let it bake, let it rise. Ikaw ba nagtitape? Ikaw ba nagme-makeup sa sarili mo? Sa taping? Yes, usually ako. But, kasi meron naman akong makeup artist and hairstylist, si Mama Lay, who helps me most of the time. Like, kapag kailangan ko ng false eyelashes, yung mga hindi ko kaya. She would help me. Pero ako, gusto ko din na ako yung gumagawa ng makeup ko in a way na sa dami kasi namin sa taping, sa dami ng inaayusan nila, at least kahit papano nakaka-help naman ako. Diba? Okay, and then we're gonna go back with the Get Ready With Me. Get Ready With Me, contour, bronzer, whatever. Then ibabalik ko lang siya. Anong brand ng concealer? It's Dior Forever Skin Correct. Hindi na ba talaga siya maaalis yung dark circles? Like me, I have treatments with Bello that help lighten it, which I've seen big difference na. Kaso, hirap nga ako matulog, diba? I have insomnia, guys. So, parang nako-combat niya lahat ng ginagawa kong pagpapaganda. But still, nakakatulong pa din naman yun. Okay, almost. Pawisin yung upper lip ko. Sabi nila ganun daw pag selosa. I believe tama. Okay, ayan. So, okay, I'm almost done. Traffic is terrible daw. I'm almost done. Ito na. Okay. I'm almost done. Nose line. The most important and my favorite. Nose line. Boobs. Yes. Ayan. Almost done. Almost done. Pisces ka ba? Yes! Spicy Pisces. White eyeliner. Yes, maglalagay ako. Pero last ko nang gagawin yun. Anong age mo? I'm 23. There. Better. Nagparito kay ka ba? Hindi. Kaya nga ako nagpapakahirap mag-nose line. Ayan. Okay. Kebs. Sobrang naiirita ako sa kilay ko, but wala na akong magagawa. Okay. Next, with the Get Ready With Me cosmetics, I am going to put some shimmer in my inner corners. Should I go with this or this? Maybe this. Sige, but first I will powder my face with the Get Ready With Me Powder Rush in the shade Banana Bread. It's quite yellowish, so I know you think it's weird that I'm using a yellowish tone. But if you're familiar with the Ben Nye powder, the banana shade also, I would use that before and okay naman siya sa akin. Salosa raw mga Pisces. Ewan. I think it just depends with the person you're with. If I understand now na hindi naman pala kailangan magselos. I mean, it's not something minsan na napipigilan mo, diba? But, pwede naman palang hindi ganun kadalas magselos. Char! Kaya naman pala. Kaya naman palang ma-reassure. Kaya naman palang mabigyan ng assurance. Love that. Okay, next. The face is set. I will put some highlighter. Sa ilong. Baka ito, konti lang. Ay, sobra naman siya, dahil sobra. Ayoko. Okay. Masyado siyang putok for the nose area. So, I think I will use my Fenty Beauty. Ito na lang. Yeah, go. Di naman. I'm leaving at 5. Oh. Okay, fine. Wait. I'm almost done. Yeah, sige. So, dapat mag-vet pa si Blush. Parang hindi na kaya. Pero I don't like the color. I'm afraid I was wrong. I want... Sino ba ito? Ay, na-miss ko mga ganyan mo, ate! Ate RB! Miss RB Chanko. Ay, naku, please don't watch. All the pro makeup artists, please don't watch. Nahihiya ako. But yes, so ayun lang. Ito lang yung nakayanan natin for today. Then, blush on. Gagamitin ko ulit yung Get Ready With Me. I've been super loving them talaga. As in. I will use the shade Huntress. Konti lang. Pigmented to. So, talagang tinatanggal ko siya. Ikaw magda-drive? No, my goodness. Hindi ako marunong mag-drive. Ayun nga, oh, sumubra naman siya. And then I will show you my current fave lippy. Pink na pink siya, so baka magulat kayo. Yeah. And then, this is also their blush, but I'm gonna use it like as a blush topper. It reminds me of the Fenty Beauty na ginagamit ni Madison Beer. The Ginger Binge Moscow Mule shade. It reminds me of that a bit. Parang medyo hawig siya, oh. Or baka nag-imagine lang ako. Okay, a bit of that para may konting glitter. Konting gorgeousness. Okay na tayo, ako na. Next, white eyeliner. But only sa gitna. Like sa pupil area. Yan lang. Whoa! Look at... That's crazy. Ang laking difference ang OA. Ang OA. Ang OA. Pero ang ganda. Ang OA lang. Nagulat lang ako. Okay. First time ko kasing itry yun. So, next, I will use the Chuchu Beauty. Chuchu Beauty lip liner. Ito, OA talaga ako mag lip line because I really want big lips. OA, I know. Fake it till you make it, I guess. Wow. Anong brand ng white eyeliner? It's from NYX, the Jumbo Pencil. Giant lips. And then I will first go in with Get Ready With Me Lip Boost to moisturize my lips a bit. And then mas bagay sa'yo manipis na lips, I want it big. And then this is the Dior. Pretty. Okay, I will just remove this. Put some shimmer in the inner corner. And then we're done. We're done. Ayoko na mag-contact lens. Oh my, kumulot yung buhok ko. Paplansya ko na lang doon kung meron. But wait, where is my Dior? My favorite highlighter. Where? Hirap hanapin. Parang napaka-OA nung white eyeliner. Parang nagulat ako. Okay. I'll straighten my hair. Yes. So again, catch me sa Pi channel tonight, 7 p.m. Watch me play. Hopefully, I don't make a fool out of myself. Setting spray, I forgot. Again, with my Get Ready With Me. What's your sign? I'm a Cancer. Body built like a dancer. Whoa. Okay. And also, can't forget the brow bone. Damn! Okay. Late ka na traffic. True, ito naaalis na ako, lalayas na ako, babu. Okay. There. Glittering, glistening. Yung kalat sa eye, oo nga, no, tatanggalin ko. I forgot. I'm sorry. Gone. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Till the next. Again, biglaan. As always, that's me, biglaan everything. Bye!